guys, I am here in Raytown, Missouri at the Cave Springs at Barnes Enclosure, Santa Fe, Oregon, California National Historic Trails. This is where the wagons went. It says, we're at Wagons Rolled. Thousands of wagon wheels, animal hooves, and human feet once passed this way, creating the deep depression in front of you. This swale, now worn by erosion, is grass over evidence of three trails once connecting frontier Missouri to distant lands. In the mid-1800s, caravans moving through were hauled freight between Missouri and Santa Fe. Overland immigrants followed, headed for Oregon's farmlands or California's gold fields. The swale, evidence of past trail use, is one of the few known in greater Kansas City area. During some years, wet and muddy conditions on the trails led to frustrating delays, yet memorable experiences. So we're gonna go check out this cave. It's Cave Spring Park. Let me come over here. I think there's some pictures. Oh, you guys, this is what we're gonna go see. A cave. Well, this looks fun. Let's read the rules. All animals and pets must be on a leash. No fires. No camping without authorization. So they do allow camping here. The building itself is closed. There's a little library. Donations help keep the park open. Please give generously. And then there's some books in there. Someone's donated. And here we go. There's a cave and a pond. A little garden area here. As we're walking, this looks kind of grummy, but it's got lily pads in here. And oh, I just saw frogs. Did you see the frogs? There's frogs jumping in here on their lily pads. This is cute, actually. Dirty water, but it's cute. So we went to Lakeside Nature Center. They're closed on Mondays. Did not know that. And I wanted to go there because I had never been there before. These things are in Raytown, Missouri, kind of close to where I live, and I've never explored. So we're gonna go see this cave. Forever. Is this a walkway? I don't know where we're going. If I see a snake, I'm gonna scream. So there's some chimneys to some old houses that used to be here. Wow. 3 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. One back there. Pretty cool. So there's a bunch of stairs to go to Three Eagles Landing, but don't think we're gonna take that route. The Cascades. Truman's Walk. Did Truman used to be here? Truman's Walk. I got lost, guys. And then I watched a YouTube video on where the cave actually is. We were going off the paved road, and it's 3 minutes from the parking lot. But I got my exercise for today. So we're gonna keep going back the way we came. See if we can find our way back to the parking lot and find that cave. Okay guys, I'm really out of breath. So I wanted to take him to Mark Twain National Forest. So glad we're doing this because I think I can't do it. I think I'm out of shape. I am having trouble breathing. I do have my bad heart, my bad knees. This is good exercise. This is good exercise. But I didn't bring anything to drink on this hike because I was not expecting to get lost. Okay, we found the paved road, heading back. Here's one of the chimneys. Just wanted to take a break. Need a breather before we head back to the parking lot. This is gorgeous, guys. Gorgeous. Okay, we made it back to the front, and right in front of my car is the shelter house where I took that picture of that sign that says Cave Spring Park. And it says Kids Park over here, so I think there's a playground, maybe. But the cave should be right here. I don't know, I can't find it. Oh, nice little fire pit, picnic benches. That's nice. Kids Park. I wouldn't think that they would have a kids park next to the cave, but who knows? All right, guys, I'm back in my car. I cannot find this cave. It did say it was on the way to the play area. I double checked the map on my way back. Look at my face, you guys. I am sweating, beet red. There is a scary guy sitting on the park bench back in the play area, and I wanted out of there so fast. I did see pictures of this cave. It's supposed to be really tiny, not much to it. It did say it was 3 minutes from the parking lot. When I went back there, couldn't find any cave. And I can't breathe. I can't walk anymore, guys. So this is an epic fail. Try again another day. Thanks for watching. Bye.